Guys, panoorin nyo to si Char. Napaka-talented na kapwa natin Pilipino. Ayan, dapat natin ipagmalaki.
It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found
Mala Lady Gaga, di ba? Yung kanyang boses, estilo.
how do you read this world?
Grabe.
After
Napakalamig ng boses.
how do you turn your eyes? And then you go
Kita nyo naman guys, kahit
when
anong
you slam
genre.
the door, I think you know that you
Kayang-kaya ni
won't
Char
be
yan.
way too long. You know that I'm not that strong. It's like waiting, I've been waiting.
Kahit yung boses ni Alanis, kayang-kaya niya. Napakalupit talaga.
Waiting for any you may say I'm a dreamer,
Female version ni John Lennon.
but I'm not the only one.
O diba guys, napakalupit na singer.
So